Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be doing BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 4. The ozone layer is important to man because it dash A. Absorbs ultraviolet, B. Causes cancer, C. Contains halocarbon, and D. Depletes easily. Now I want us to understand that the ozone layer is a layer in the atmosphere that is there to help humans, to help protect humans from certain adverse effects of ultraviolet rays such as the sun. Now A says absorb ultraviolet rays. Now the sun itself is an ultraviolet ray. It's an ultraviolet ray, and this sun is these ultraviolet rays are harmful to humans. So this ozone layer helps to do what? Absorb these ultraviolet rays. Then B says causes cancer. No, ozone layer does not cause cancer because it absorbs all these rays that has a tendency to cause cancer in human. These cancers are like tumors. They grow in different parts of human and then cause havoc. Then it says halocarbons. Halocarbons are compounds that are made up of carbon and halogens. E.g., for example, like you have trioxomethane like CH3Cl. This trichloromethane, this compound now is a halocarbon, but ozone does not contain this compound, so it's this compound it's not present in the ozone layer, so it doesn't give ozone layer its importance. Then depletes easily. Ozone layer, when depleted, is no longer important to human, because when ozone layer is depleted, what happens? This ultraviolet rays that is supposed to be absorbed gets down to the human, and then what causes havoc in the human skin, like cancer, tumors. So from the options, A says absorb ultraviolet rays. You see that A is correct because ozone layer helps to absorb these ultraviolet rays that tends to what cause cancer or tumor in the human body. So the final answer here is absorbs ultraviolet ray, which is A. Thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of interesting videos. Thank you and God bless you.